I don't understand. Caroline was fined of a she-goat and 200,000 naira for accusing Beatrice of having her children through Udemba because Mbabie is impotent and couldn't father a child with her. How can she open her mouth to utter such garbage? Caroline didn't stop at that. She fought Beatrice and Joy dirty in their last meeting. What exactly did I do to Caroline to deserve all this? She goes about constituting nuisance round this village, all in the name of what? I ask. Oh. She knew they were coming today for their fine, and she left the house unceremoniously. But she will definitely come back. Let her come and tell me the name of the madness that has taken hold of her. Let her come.
Did you knock before entering this house? Did you knock?
I know.
But I did not hear it.
I'm very sorry.
Go back and knock. Stupidly come in. Nonsense. Drop it and walk out. Come here. What is inside that file?
So it's the document you asked me to arrange.
And you've arranged it.
Yes, I'm
Get out, my friend. Rubbish.
How far? Have they gone?
Have which people gone?
The women now.
Which women? Look, Caroline, you will land yourself in jail one of these days if you don't check it. Huh? Are you aware that if Mbabe and his wife decides to take this allegation against you seriously, you are going to be a goner?
You and Grandma.
As an adult, you don't say everything you see. You chew words before you say it. But you run your mouth like a parrot. You don't even care whose ox is God.
But what I said is the truth. I know what I said.
Who even told you what you said is the truth? Who told you?
Abumumwaka, am I a child?
That's a fatal mistake. A palm wine tapper doesn't say everything he sees on the palm wine tree.
No problem. At least you have confirmed I did not lie. That is what matters.
Caroline, if your mouth runs into trouble in this village, this mouth you run, papa, in this village, and anything happened to you, I will not come out. Don't call me. Do you hear me?
Don't come out. Let me tell you. You see that fine? I will not pay. Trust me on that. I will not pay. If they like, let them continue coming to this house. I will not pay. And that's for Beatrice and that her useless friend, Joy. They've not seen the last of me. The fight just started. You know what I can do.
Look at you. What do you think you are? You think you can vanquish the whole woman in this village? Is that what you are thinking? I pity you. You are not a superman or superwoman. Okay?
So tell me, you've been looking at that phone for God knows how long. And I've been here. You don't even behave as if I exist. I'm sorry. So, what is going on? My friend. Love is what is going on now.
It's all calm now. I said it. So, my girl is in love. I talk calm. So, you don't go fall in love with that your village boy, eh?
Look, this one is so deep. Oh. It is so deep. I thought I was in love with that year tea. Oh yeah? Until I met Sab. Huh? Sab is everything I pray for in a man and more.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So, tell me, have you guys done it?
Then what?
Come on, stop playing that game with me. Have you guys had sex? Like, have you slept with him?
Mm-hmm. I don't understand. Why would I? You expect me to open my legs like that, anyhow, just for a man?
Don't you understand? There's nothing difficult there now, eh? My friend, you're so stingy. I've always known you to be this stingy girl. Stop it. Get something doing with that guy. You're going to love it. Freely this thing was given, and freely you should share, you know.
Like, seriously?
Oh, yeah? You have to get down with that guy. You need to know if he's capable or not. That will even make him love you more.
Really? You know, I'm surprised you're telling me this. Seriously.
You're surprised? But it is the ideal thing. Get down there so you can be sure what is going on down there. You may like it, you know.
You know, I never gave it to Timmy that I dated for 2 years. And you expect me to do it with a guy I just got into a relationship with?
My friend, you're in love. Do you know what love is? Everything. Your emotions, your heart down there screams, I want you when you're in love. So what do? Snap it out, baby. Get down so you will be sure he's man enough to handle you. So you don't come crying to me tomorrow. You know, Sabi do anything, Get it done, baby. Come on.
Please don't touch me.
Why not?
This your dirty hands away.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Please.
Are you done defending your evil mom?
Babe, come on. This is not about my mom. I'm sorry. See, babe, my mom's judgment should not be the problem, right? This is about us. We have come a long way. And you shouldn't allow what my mom said to you be the problem. You just need to calm down. I understand that we have a long way to go than actually reacting to what my mom said. After all, you know my dad has given us his last blessing. Yes! That is the most paramount right now.
Does it look as if I care? So let me tell you, I want you to return this car. Return the document, return everything. I am done. I am tired.
What did you just say?
Yes, you just need to return it.
Has it gotten to this level?
Yes, sir.
Babe!
Don't baby me. I'm very calm today. I don't want to get upset.
Oh, you reacting this way, you're going too far. Asking me to return the car you gave to me as a gift.
Your mom took it too far.
This is a gift. You shouldn't be taking it back just because of what my mom did to you. I don't... Hold on.
You want the car, but you don't want to.
Hello, sis. Yeah. Yeah, she's here. Okay. Okay, let me give it to her. It's my sister. She wants to talk to you.
Hi, Ruby. Your brother insulted me. Fine. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Pardon. Thank you. See what I tell you, I'm accepting you back not because of my sister. If not, why are you laughing? Why are you smiling?
See,
Do you know that I hate you?
come on.
I
know you mean you love me. Let's go, okay? Yeah, let's go. Let's go and get ice cream or maybe find something to eat.
Just take me to see
cinema. Alright.
Thank God. So you know how to do?
Yes, so thank God.
So how much is your salary?
Mommy, are you seriously asking me that?
What is wrong in your mother knowing how much your salary is?
Mommy, the salary is good.
Okay. Have you gotten a place of your own now?
No, I'm staying with my friend.
Okay. Just try and get a place because I can't wait to leave this village.
Mommy, I was told you didn't find a sheepboat and 200,000 for accusing Madeline of being impotent, not being able to father a child with Beatrice. Why?
Who told you that nonsense?
Mommy, that was you going overboard. What if they had decided to take the matter to the king? You could face being excommunicated, you know that?
Nobody has the right to do that nonsense.
Mommy, honestly, you need to take it easy. Take it easy. You're beginning to step on many toes in this village. You talk down on people, you insult them. No. You have to be careful.
I don't understand. Be careful about what?
You're well educated. So what's the problem? What's the problem?
I haven't seen Ruby around. Yeah, she went to the village. Oh, I thought as much. So, how are you coping without her? Man, if I tell you I've called her like 10 times today, 10 good times. Just today? You won't believe it. Oh, that girl is, I love her so much. You know, I can just do without her.
I understand how you feel. I mean, who wouldn't love Ruby? She's beautiful, educated, and then she's 100 years wife material.
She's killing me. She's just killing me. I can't just stop loving her. I will love her to the end.
So then what are you waiting for? Why haven't you tied the knot?
She wants courtship before marriage. And I obliged her.
Yeah, I think it's advisable. At least you get to know who you're going to spend the rest of your life with. So, yeah, that's cool.
And you, did you do any courtship before marriage?
Nah, my case is different. You know, I met my wife at the airport when I was returning back to Nigeria. And then it was love at first sight. Yeah. And then I have to take the bull by the horn.
That's it.
My bro.
Okay.
My bro.
Which style? No, the one I chose is that show back. Oh. I'll call you back.
I need to run.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll call you.
Okay. Just like that. Are you not going to give me something?
Mommy. Of course I'll give you.
I trust you.
This is 200,000 naira. Use it to buy what they find you and give the rest.
Eh? Do what? I'd rather die than pay that fine.
Mommy, look, I know why I'm doing this. So. It's not about I have this money plenty, but I don't want you to be excommunicated. I don't even know why you didn't use the last money I sent to you in that effect. Why?
Not after what they did to me. You know what they did to me? This one is for what?
I want to give it to Daddy. To Dad.
Again now. What does he need money for? All this money.
I wanted to give him.
Don't worry now, I'm here. He doesn't need money. I don't want to take care of you. Always say your prayers.
Oh.
Bye.
Whatever.
He comes out here. I'll make a good shit.
Gabuchonye, Caro. Madam, bye. Gabuchonye. Hey. Gabuchonye, Caro.
Please. I've told you to stop calling me that. I don't like it.
Why will I stop calling you? When we will soon be in-laws. Eh?
Chinyere, I've said this before, but I will say it again for the last time. My daughter will not marry Ibuka. Okay,
Caro, Fanusigo, they will soon come home for their traditional marriage rites.
What?
Fire matter very soon to do their traditional wedding.
I don't understand. Who authorized their union? Eh? Bia, Roland! Roland! I beg or no? Roland! What's wrong with you?
Leave your husband out of this. As a matter of fact, he doesn't even know about it. He's fearing about it.
Why are you shouting my name anyhow like that?
Principal.
What's wrong with you?
Roland, who consented my daughter to marry Ebuka? Are you part of the plan? Answer me or not, kill him. Anyway, for the last time, take it or leave it. My daughter will marry only a well-deserving rich young man, suitable for her, and not Ebuka. Okay, Nanuya. Can't you go
and Ruby.
God forbid.
I
said God forbid.
Caroline, what will God forbid? God will forbid two young person coming together as husband and wife?
Oh.
Is that what God will forbid?
Principal, ask her.
Caroline. So your children will not marry again because they have a mother. Isn't it? Let me ask you, Caroline. Please. Are you a witch?
You are the witch here. Roland, you are the witch here. Bia, watch what you say to me.
I only ask you.
Watch your tongue. Don't push me. And I don't mind you a witch. You are the witch here. Chinyere, I don't want to banter words with you. My daughter will not marry Ebuka. But try and see. You will see. Excuse me.
Chinyere.
Principal.
Tell your son, I am waiting for him here in this house. When he's ready, let him come with his kinsmen.
Oh, Principal.
Oh,
thank you very much. You will not be sick again. You are a good man. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hey! I thought you have gone inside to sleep.
Roland. Roland.
Caroline.
What?
Nothing. Just want to tell you I love you.
I love you too.
What in the world of sorcery is going on here? Sir, are you committing incest with your sister?
What are you doing here?
I told you earlier, you can't use and dump me. Hell no.
After using and dumping me, now you've gone back to me because he has dumped you for your lies. You lied about your father who fell from the rooftop and died a politician. Oh. Oh. You're shocked.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Can you explain? Why do you lie a lot? Who is your father? Can you tell me who your father is?
You know what? She can have you whilst I'm still alive. As for you, like a snake, you've crept into his life, right? You've crept into my man's life.
Your ex.
Watch it.
Move it.
Your ex barging into our house every now and then is something I don't think I can deal with. I can't. Really, I can't deal with this.
Yeah, come on. You see what just cooled on. Come on, you see what just happened now. It will never happen again. She will never come into this house again.
Pick your phone, this girl.
My mom. Hello, mommy. Good afternoon.
Ruby, where did you keep your phone?
I didn't know it was ringing. My phone is always on silent.
Please keep your greetings to yourself. I don't need it. What is this thing I heard about you and Ebuka?
What did you hear, Mom?
Cut that pretense now.
Do you want to speak with him?
Speak with who? Now listen to me, Ruby. You will not marry Ebuka.
It's too late, Mom. We're already engaged.
I've said my own. You will not marry Ebuka. What is wrong with you? You want to marry an illiterate? cannot write his name.
There's nothing you can do about it. I am the one getting married to him, not you, Mom.
Now let me ask you, is it fair for a beautiful graduate like you to marry an illiterate? Eh? Is it fair? I have told you, Ruby, you will not marry Ebuka. Not under my watch. And if I see his ugly face in this house, trust me, you know what I can do. You know exactly what I can do. Just disobey me and watch. Nonsense. Let me see him here.
My mom. I'm sure you know what she was saying.
I know.
Really, you know?
I know. Come here. Come here.
Ebuka, good to see you again after a long while.
Thank you, Principal. Thank you. How are you people? I hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm good. You're not looking bad, I must say. You're looking good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's great. Your mother came to us to tell us about your intention towards my beautiful daughter, Ruby.
Oh, that's okay. I've come to seek for your consent to marry your beautiful daughter.
It's okay. You already have my consent. My kinsman and I are waiting for you.
Lies! It's the one way. Waiting for who? Waiting for Ebuka. I don't understand. Eh? I cannot bring up my daughter, my beautiful daughter, to end up with a low life. Ebuka.
Mom, I don't get it. What kind of embarrassment is this? Please, babe, please wait. I don't understand. How did you look at a person and conclude their low life without knowing anything about them? Ebuka may have left this village a poor, fatherless boy that just left elementary school. Yes, we know. But things have changed. Life happened.
So tell me, what life happened to Ebuka? Tell me, where is his car? Eh? You proudly walked into this compound to seek for my daughter's hand in marriage with your legged Benz. Eh? And I'm very sure these clothes you're wearing, you borrowed them to impress us. But you can never impress me. At all. You cannot impress me.
What's your problem this week?
I should ask you that.
I am actually disappointed at you. As educated as you are, you measure a person's wealth by car?
Also, what name? One. Also.
Hey. This your mouth. This your mouth.
Roland, please, don't start. Don't start. Ebuka, I don't know, he's just trying to pretend. You cannot marry my daughter.
Let's go.
You cannot marry my daughter.
Sir.
Ruby, Ebuka will not marry you. He will not marry you.
Stop this nonsense. Will you stop this nonsense?
Stop
You
it,
started again. Look at your daughter that brought a handsome man like this to marry.
Handsome?
So what is your
Money,
problem?
money is handsome. Money.
Don't let this money turn you to something else. Money.
Please, don't take whatever my mother said to heart. I know her words hurt.
You know, my mother told me so many nasty things your mother has been saying about me. I purposely dropped the car and came to your father's house like this for me to just see her reaction.
This is the same thing she did to Kenneth when he brought his fiancée home. Do you know the girl left?
Babe, the truth is this. Nothing will make me stop loving you. Okay? I am stuck in love with you.
I love you.
I love you more. You know, my world revolves around you. I'm going to marry you regardless. Come here. Don't mind your mother. I'm used to that.
Hey, see my babe. Baby, you glitter. Really? You glow! What is it? Oh my gosh! I'm so happy for you. So tell me, how is your sweetheart? My sugar? Yeah, your sugar. It's fine. Oh yeah? Yes, it's blushing though. Seriously, I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. So, like, you're getting married very soon. Yeah. Oh my chest.
And she's seen my car.
I'm seeing every.
I hear you to propose.
Yeah, you told me, and it's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hope I am your maid of honor.
Are you asking?
To avoid fight though.
Of course you are.
Oh yes, scream it. Seriously, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank
My
you.
girl is getting married.
Oh yeah. So what about your dad?
My dad is doing very well.
When are we hearing the wedding bell?
You know, I am so scared of that stuff. Oh, shit. Like, Ruby, you know I have phobia for that thing. I'm not ready. It comes with a whole lot of responsibilities. So I don't know.
What exactly are you scared of, Lillian? What?
Thing is, I'm not ready. My guy is not ready. So let's just say we are two of a kind.
So, with the way people are going, what if you get pregnant?
What?
Yeah.
That's not happening anytime soon.
I'm pretty sure you do this thing without protection.
Rub it to my face, girl.
Oh, but that's the truth.
Just rub it all over. Well, he gives me contraceptives.
What?
What? Every girl does it. So what's what?
No, you don't say that. Don't say that.
The day I send my eyes on you.
Did I tell you that Jennifer came to the house the other day and saw me kissing Ruby while doing the dishes in the kitchen, and she was so shocked.
Look, bro, I've told you severally, I don't want to be hearing anything about that girl. Bro, if I tell you what that girl did to me,
What?
she practically ripped me off. I was foolishly busy sending her millions and millions of euros, including cars. Do you know how many cars that girl has driven that I sent her? Yeah, the bitch was practically living off me.
Do you know that she was using me to wait for you? I was giving it to her anytime she wants it. You know she's wired on the bed. There's no style that she has not given me. Trust me, I give them left, right, and center anyhow she wants it.
Bro, you were enjoying, man.
All the same, she was ripping me off.
Well, she's the sweetest. The reason I actually wanted to marry her, but then I found out that she's a chronic liar.
She's not sweeter than my wife. Phoebe.
Yeah. Have you had her?
I have something special for you. Come. Please. Please follow me. Come on.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So cute.
You like it?
Yeah.
I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah,
Seriously.
You know what?
What?
I want to show you something else. Downstairs.
Okay.
Come here. My love, thank you for this gift you've given to me. And today I want to promise you that I will never leave you for another. The day I'll do that, let me not just see good thing in my life.
Stop.
Yeah, but that's the truth. Knowing you is the best thing that has ever happened to me. This is the best decision I've ever taken in my life.
I believe you 100%.
Thank you so much. I will always love you.
You know, I never thought I would find love so easily like this after I ended things with my ex. But look at me. Look at me here today about walking down the aisle with my true love. I feel so good.
I will always cherish this day.
So tell me, what are your plans for the future? I mean, how many kids would you like us to have?
How many do you want?
I want 4. 2 girls, 2 boys.
That's not bad. I think I want 8.
What?
5 boys, 3 girls.
You are not serious.
So we need to start making babies now. Like right now.
No.
Come here.
No.
I'm happy for you, bro. But not I felt bad. I felt very bad when I realized that she was using me. Jennifer was actually using a big boy like me. You know, they say that men do use girls and dump them. But in my own case, she dumped me. She used me like a fool and dumped me. You know, I felt like ripping, snuffing life out of her.
You haven't heard the latest, bro. I had to take all my cars from her my own way.
Are you joking?
No. Bro, you don't know what I'm capable of. I lived all my life abroad. We ran the city of Manchester. Bro, I barged into her. Recovered all my car keys, including my house key, and then kicked her out of the house on gunpoint.
Hold on. The house? So it's not hers? Because she lied to me that the father bequeathed that house to her.
Oh, come on, then don't mind that then. It's one of my houses in town. I had to let her stay there when she was like, she needed a place and then she wanted her own privacy. I said, okay, fine, I have it. Please, you can have it. You see? But then I didn't know that she was using the house as a brothel, where she brings men to sleep with and her fellow women as well.
What?
You just heard me.
Is she a lesbian?
I didn't know, bro, but then she's not just a lesbian. The girl is an escort, a street girl. Yeah. She sleeps around with men, and then one of her partners that she fell off with, she was the person that told me all this, told me about her and her family. And she even showed me video evidence of how she was making out with 3 other girls. That is terrible, bro.
What?
Yeah.
Are you being serious right now?
For real? For real.
Damn.
Ka nkene tinye nwa agabeghị ibe tinye nwa ha thank God I met you. I was even coming to your house.
Is there any problem?
I'm afraid there is. It is said that an elder doesn't sit at home and watch the she-goat deliver in tetas. Your son Ebuka cannot marry Caroline's daughter.
Is it why you are coming to my place?
Bam. See, don't you see how Caroline runs her mouth in this village? As if her husband owns this community and every one of us. Huh?
Agatha, I don't indulge in village gossip.
It is not a gossip. Oh. You cannot sit and watch things go wrong. That is what I'm saying. Huh? Is it only you that doesn't know Caroline is a no? That woman is a bad influence. She can't be your in-law. That is what I'm saying.
What are you emphasizing?
Exactly what I'm emphasizing. Ebuka cannot marry Ruby. There are so many beautiful girls in this community for him to pick a wife from. And not that daughter of a lunatic from a family that family that has a very bad record.
Let me clear your eyes. My son, Ebuka, is marrying Ruby and not her mother, Caroline.
Chinyere, Ruby must behave like her mother. No this and no peace.
My son loves Ruby. And I, Chinyere, I was the one that recommended that Ruby for my son. Yes, I recommended it to my son, yes.
You were very much around when Caroline fought Beatrice in our in the Yomdi and was fined of a very big she-goat and 200,000 or face excommunication. She had to pay that fine through her nose.
She was playing and dribbling me. You know, whenever I brought up marriage topic, she would rather run off and come back. And come back whenever she had need for me.
Women. That gender. What that gender is doing to our gender is terrible. And then at the end of the day, they will play the victim, calling us men the heartbreakers.
Jennifer broke my heart. Jennifer broke my heart into 1,000 pieces. I felt used. I wanted to have a pound of my flesh. I wanted her to pay for it. But my wife said I should let it go.
Well, bro, it's good you listen to your wife because at the end of the day, life is mysterious. Look at us now. We ended up with beautiful women.
I'm telling you, good
Yes,
boys.
yes. That's life. Yeah, so
My wife is so sweet. She's just the best.
Bruh, we are blessed.
But that girl used to.
God has a way of doing things. You know,
That girl used to.
forget about her. Forget about her.
Agatha, I love that girl. And I can't wait to see her married to my son and child.
Chinyere, reconsider your stance on this. That girl should not turn to a chameleon overnight after she's completely married into your family. I know why I'm saying this.
You worry your head too much. Allow me to worry about that.
I know why I'm saying this. Ebuka is your only child. You can't afford to trade the happiness of your only child for that daughter of a lunatic.
Agatha, I know you are thinking out for me and my son. But let me tell you the truth. There is no problem. Yes. There is no cause for alarm. Trust me, there's no cause for alarm.
You are still insisting on Ebuka marrying Ruby. Are you sure this is ordinary? Because I don't trust that Caro. If Caroline, I trust my wife.
No cause for alarm. Relax. You see, I was going somewhere before you stopped me.
Reconsider your stance. So Ruby is not the only beautiful girl in this community. Biko, don't go and kill your only child. Ruby.
Hey! How about it? Atalugo. Where did I wear daughter? Limo. God, I thank you. To God be the glory. Finally, my daughter got married to the most handsome, rich young man in this town. What God cannot do does not exist. Hey.
Caroline, you surprise me. You are not celebrating the same Ebuka that you called poverty-stricken Itiboribo. Huh?
Ha! Roland! Judgment Day. Please don't say what I did not say. That was not what I called him.
Yeah. Please, what exactly did you call him?
Oh God. You see this God, this God, he's so wonderful.
He's a wonderful God, man.
Imagine how he turned the rejected stone into a cornerstone.
Hey!
That same Ebuka. Hey, God.
You disgrace them.
No. Wonderful.
I am proud of you. You made me proud. Like daughter, like mother. Thank you so very much. The man you married is exactly the kind of man I want for you. You did not fall my hand at all.
Oh. Caro, you're not even ashamed of yourself.
Keep quiet!
Mom, how dare you show that up? In his own house.
Caroline, is it because I didn't tell your children the reason we relocated to the village? Infidelity.
What?
Yes. Actually, I went through thick and thin to train you out of school. While your mother lavished her salary on material things and makeup, now she turned around to say, I abandoned you for her to train. That is not true.
Daddy, we're truly sorry. We were misled by our own mother. We acted out of ignorance. Please, forgive us.
Dad, I'm truly sorry. But why didn't you let us know that she committed all this? Why didn't you let us know?
I don't know.
Dad, I'm very sorry, please. It's not our fault. We are deceived. She made us believe she single-handedly saw us through school. Where else? She was busy using her money to buy makeups and clothes.
Dad, I know how you feel. I know that you're very disappointed in us. Oh, please. It was our mother. Please.
I've forgiven you.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
You see, this is what happens when children refuse to follow details. I forgive you.
Thank you very much, Dad.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
I love you.
You're such a good man.
I love you.
I'm so sorry.
I love you.
Come on, Ruby. Come on. You don't have to keep doing this. Look, tomorrow is your traditional wedding day. You shouldn't be crying this way. I feel so low. I feel so terrible. I understand. I honestly understand how you feel. You don't understand the very sad relationship between my father and his children. Our relationship is nothing to write home about. Because my mother never allowed us to get close to him. Ruby, I think you need to apologize to your father at this point. But we've already done that, and I feel so bad. I still feel bad. Then you have done everything. You don't need to be like this.
I don't know if I can forgive my mother. I don't know if I have any space in my heart to even forgive her.
Don't say that.
I still feel bad.
Ruby.
Hi! Ruby! So happy to meet you. Congratulations. Thank you. Yeah. I told your brother. You came. Hi. Yes. Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, so good to see you.
There's your mom.
Oh, she's inside.
Okay.
You see, everybody's coming together for tomorrow. Your special day. Ruby, you don't need to be like this, okay? Tomorrow is going to be more beautiful. Most importantly, you've done the most amazing by apologizing. So I think it's enough. Cheryl. Hey.
My husband, I know I've really offended you, but please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry, forgive me.
Good.
Please.
You're a bad.
I'm sorry.
Very bad one. I told you your sin will find you out. So I told you.
I'm sorry, please. It's the devil. Forgive me, oh, Biko.
I'm forgiving you.
You're forgiving me?
For the sake of my children, I'm forgiving you.
Dad! Good evening. Mom?
You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh!
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
Dad, she actually came for Ruby's traditional marriage.
Hey, that's fine.
Yes,
Oh,
Dad.
thanks for coming. Eh?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
I got something for you.
What about me?
Oh,
Mom.
Don't
Don't
worry.
worry.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay, you guys should have a nice time.
All right.
You're still asking of your own. I thought you just repented. You just.
I'm just trying to familiarize with her now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I thought you've accepted.
I've accepted. I just saw that.
Now carry me.
Eh? I should carry you. With my leg, can it carry you? Try and see first. Try. Sit down properly.
Babe, see this one. It's nice. This one.
Yeah, it's nice, but I like the last one we saw.
The other one.
Yeah, it will make you look elegant.
Yeah, it's nice. But I think this is better. I prefer this one. It's really nice.
Wait, is it not what your husband wants you wear?
Babe, that one is going to show my cleavage now.
Yes. I want people to see how beautiful and how sexy my wife is looking.
Babe, you're not serious, are you?
I am very serious.
Look,
you know?
Sorry, babe, my dad is calling.
Okay.
Hi, Dad. Hello to the best dad in the world. How are you, Daddy? Really? And no one deemed it fit to tell me. That's not fair now, Dad. Guess what, Daddy? He's the one calling now. Let me take his call. Hello? Dad was just telling me. I'm happy for you, my brother. Please tell my wife that I'm going to call her right away. Bye. My brother Kingsley is going to pay Stacy's diary tomorrow.
That's nice.
Yeah, nice. I'm so happy for them.
I'm happy. So, are we done with what we were doing before?
We're going with the one I said that will cover my body better.
Babe, you're going to look elegant that thing.
Girl, I've been waiting for you, waiting for someone like you. From the day I sent my eyes.
Wifey, I called earlier. You were in the kitchen. Do you cook? This man picking the cook. It's fine. My people are still coming today now.
If you leave me, baby, I go die.
Okay. I'll call you later to find out how you want. Bye.
My lover, I've been waiting for you. Where have you been, my baby, my baby? Anything you want, I will give to you.
Donald, my guy.
My nigga.
What's up?
I'm good.
You're looking sharp always.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. My nigga.
That lady will take care of you very well. How is she?
Man, my beautiful wife is fine. She's doing well. And then the baby in the womb is actually doing well. Because sometimes I can feel her kicking.
Papa woman.
Yeah.
Papa woman.
Yeah,
That's nice.
yeah, that's nice. That's fulfilling. So, how is your wife? Does she go to work?
She did not go to anywhere. I just want her to stay at home and rest.
It sounds nice. You know what? You make a very good husband.
Just tell me I will make heaven.
Nah, we know about the heaven thing. We know you're not going to see heaven, but you make a very good husband.
My guy, let's go on there.
Yeah, let's
catch fun out there.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Carol, thank you very much. How are my people? And how is Principal, my Ogo?
He's fine, no, Okogo. He's sleeping inside.
Yeah. Thank God. I was told you came to the house the other day.
Yes.
I wasn't around. I went to see Eugene, the land agent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. Oh, just my son, your son-in-law. He wants to buy those lands, those acres of land that is at that Oyimio, along the express.
Kambekwa, that one by the express.
Along Hanchanin, all of them.
People are here.
Your in-law wants to buy them.
Hey!
Oh, Asha.
Chinyere, my friend.
My
friend turned-in-law. My friend turned-in-law. I know.
Didn't I say?
Money materials cannot make it right. I was only protecting my daughter. You know?
It's okay.
Hey.
It's okay.
Okay, God of the fatherless. Hey, book of yesterday.
I wish Ikemba was alive. Ikemba, my husband. I want to go closer.
God has used this to compensate you.
Amen.
Hey.
It's true.
Thank God.
Just that, if Ikemba had been here with me, to see his son, that little Ebuka.
There is no need for regrets. You know, or we'll answer the call one day. Hey, what do you think? Let me get you.
Oh, my God.
I know you're swimming in money. Looking fresh.
Don't worry. You will come back. You will repeat that visit.
Of course.
I wasn't around.
Of course.
You will come. Let me be going. Don't worry. Make sure you come.
I will come.
Hey,
I'll go.
From the day I set my eyes on you, I cried.
Hey.
Baby, where you been there? Cause you're beautiful. You are wonderful.
Oh, looking back. You are not looking back. Look at your hair. Sorry, you said something. We missed you. Who are we? What's this?
Just open it.
Babe. You run a PT.
Yeah.
And it's positive.
Positive, baby.
Wait, you're pregnant. Oh my God, come here. Oh my God. Babe, you're pregnant.
Yes, we're expecting.
We're actually expecting.
And it's gonna be a baby.
Oh my God. Oh, come here. Thank you. You know what?
What?
It's gonna be a baby girl.
No. A baby. Bouncing baby boy.
It's gonna be a bouncing baby girl.
It's gonna be a boy.
I want a bouncing baby girl.
I want a boy.
Gonna be a bouncing baby girl.
No. It's gonna be a bouncing baby boy.
No. A baby.
From the day I set my eyes on you, I cried. Baby, where you been there? Cause you're beautiful. You are
Mommy. Daddy. You're aging graciously.
Oh, thank you very much. Ebuka.
Yes, Daddy. I'm good.
This one that you and your wife, you are grinning from ear to ear. Is there something you want to share with us? Because my ear is itching.
Oh, yes. The thing is that we're expecting, my wife and I.
Hey!
This is good. This now.
This is good news.
Good news. Ebuka, I'm happy for you. You see, you are a very good sharpshooter.
Namo, Okogo,
Yes.
Up for you.
You're right. Exactly.
Hey.
And we are also preparing for our wedding. Yeah. That's a good one. I'm very happy for you. Very, very happy.
The best news ever. Where, Mama? Never.
And please, you see this first issue? I'm the one that will come for the Omugo. Yes. Anyway.
Nah!
Are you there? Okay.
Hey!
Hi. Sorry, I didn't close the door. Okay, sorry.
Why not?
Alright.
So.
Okay, guess what? Just guess.
What?
I got my visa. I'm traveling to Europe.
What visa are you talking about?
Oh, yeah, I'm traveling to Europe. Yeah.
You're traveling to Europe and you're just telling me.
Oh, Mickey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I have an explanation for that. An authentic one, and I think just listen. You see, the last time I was preparing to travel, I was busy with my documents and everything. I ended up spilling the good news early enough. I told people about it and I ended up not getting the visa. So my uncle advised me, he said, do not spread the good news before the event happens. So he said, keep it to yourself. Don't tell anybody. When you get the visa, you can now tell the ones you want to tell and travel. So you're the first person I'm meeting.
Keep it to yourself. Don't tell anybody. So I am just anybody. No, tell me, I am just anybody to you. What does that make of you as my man?
Baby, listen,
Hey, hold on. Let me ask you. What happens to us?
Okay, babe, listen. I really can't promise you anything at this moment because I'm traveling. I don't know what I'm going to meet there or how my life is going to turn. So I would suggest you move on with your life.
Hold on, I don't understand what are you saying.
Okay. Listen, baby. Just listen, okay? Listen. I just want you to understand me, okay? You're a beautiful girl.
Go on.
Okay, listen. You're a beautiful girl, a very pretty girl. A lot of guys would want you, so you can just move on.
How dare you? How dare you, swine? How dare you talk to me like that? I can just move on. After everything we've done together, all of the shit together, you have the nerves to tell me that. How dare you, I ask again? It's obvious you never loved me.
Okay, listen, you and I know this. In the first place, I don't think it was right for you to have hit me, but I'll let it pass.
And I will hit you again if you're not careful of your utterances.
You and I know this. Everything we've been having here is just fun.
Shut up!
Listen. I have been trying to be very calm here, but I'll let it pass. You don't hit a man. It is wrong.
Get out.
Thank you for the slap. You really got to me. Thank you. And I also hope you have fun.
Girl, I've been waiting for you, waiting for someone like you. From the day I set my eyes on you, I cried, baby, where you been there? Cause you're beautiful, you are wonderful, down to earth, now wife material. You know they stress me, you know they give me wahala. If you leave me, baby, I go die, yo. Hey, I've been waiting for you, where have you been?